Hello boys and girls. We're gonna do a song about candy, which I know probably all of you like candy. And this one is If All the Raindrops Were Lemon Drops and Gumdrops. That's the name of the song. Or maybe if it's shorter, it's just called If All the Raindrops. And it goes something like this.